Alright, g'day guys, Mad Matt here. Well, look at this. What? Now, this is my brother Daniel and my sister Claire. You can see where I get it from. Hey Dan, so what year model is this Landy, mate?
1958 ex-army reconnaissance vehicle.
Yeah, there you go. So this morning he actually fired it up for the first time. He's halfway through his restoration of it, and he's going to take us for a drive, aren't you, Dan?
Yep.
All right, I'll get in the back.
Where do I sit? In the front?
You get in the front. All right, here we go. Oh look, he's going to put the tailgate down for me.
You hot princess.
All right. Look at the padded seat he's given me.
You haven't. No, we've just done the seats. Oh, right.
That's Nicole.
No.
That's Dan's wife.
Ready, everybody? Yep.
Oh, we're getting a photo. Everybody smile for the camera. All right. Fire it up, Dan. Smooth. So apparently it's only got an engine pipe at the moment. Hey! Oh, that's fantastic. There you go. 1958 Landy. Oh, doors open, clear. How are the brakes, Daniel?
They do something.
The brakes are there sometimes. They probably came out of the factory like that.
Four-wheel drum.
Four-wheel drum brakes.
Non-adjustable.
Non-adjustable.
How fast does it go, Dan? How fast does it go?
I don't know. I haven't been out of third gear.
This is the other end.
Oh, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that ride in the 1958 Land Rover. Haven't they? Four-wheel drives come along.